If you find yourself struggling to put together outfits that feel stylish and cute, likely the problem for most people when it comes to getting dressed and styling outfits and where they struggle, where they run into problems, is an improper balance between those like fun, funky, trendy pieces and good, solid basics. You have to have the right balance between both of those things in order to put together outfits that themselves feel balanced, that don't feel too plain and boring, but also don't feel too much like a costume or like you're playing dress up. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna put together some fun outfits, starting with those basics and understanding why basics are really the building blocks of our outfits and our closet. And hopefully you'll be able to see why it's so important that you have really good, solid basics. Ever since I found Quince, they have become like my go-to place for basics because they have kind of struck the perfect balance between quality, high quality pieces, but fair pricing. And I think that's something we can all agree that we like to see. And so some of my favorite, most worn items are from Quince. So I'm going to show you what those are, as well as some other new in pieces for me and my wardrobe, and just how versatile these basics actually are.
All right, we are starting with a dress because, well, I think we all can agree that dresses are the best. They are the best because they are, quite frankly, so easy to style, and you can just kind of wear them as they are. They're like an all-in-one outfit, or you can add things and layer things. But this cotton cashmere ribbed long sleeve dress is by far one of my favorite things I've ever gotten from Quince. Why? Because, well, it is just soft and comfortable. I love how the sleeves, like they kind of slightly bell out just a little bit at the wrist, but not dramatically. It has such a great fit. It lays really, really well. Now, obviously, you can just wear it right out of the box as it comes, if you will, without, just pick some cute shoes and away you go. But the key here, I think, in really making something feel like your own is how you style it, what you add to it. For me, that often looks like a belt, maybe even a scarf. Obviously, like the boots, kind of matching everything, kind of like going together, if you will. Now, if I'm going to add something like the suede chore jacket over top, to me, the belt being suede and the jacket and the boots was too much. So what I will typically do is swap out the belt for something that blends in a little bit better. So I just swapped it out for a green belt, just so that kind of goes to the back, if you will, of your mind, and it's not everything standing out so much. There is obviously such a thing as too much of a good thing. So sometimes it requires changes when we add things, but I have to tell you, okay, I was so thrilled about this. Number one, Quince has really been coming out with some fun colors. I know that sometimes if you're not into like the neutrally basics, then it can be tough, but they have really been stepping up their game in terms of like good colors. The ultra stretch, these super wide leg pants are my favorite pants ever. Definitely my favorite pants that I've ever gotten from Quince. I now own them in multiple colors. They are just so easy to wear and style, and you're about to see me style them in like 5 different ways. That is how versatile these pants are. If you don't like the super wide leg, they do have one that is slightly more straight or more of a flare rather than this like more extreme flare. So there really is like something for everybody, okay? But these are just my absolute favorite. Now, I've paired them with a sweater. A little button down underneath is actually a dickie, and then a scarf. And you've got this like layered, pulled together look when really it's just a sweater and some comfy pants. I mean, this kind of feels like you're wearing your PJs. It's very easy, very comfortable, and it's just kind of all about the layering and styling, the kind of flourishes, if you will. So these are the same pants, okay? Now I have added the Australian merino wool cable sweater vest, which I love. They have a few different colors, and this is just a great color, a great neutral. And then I'm also wearing the organic cotton poplin button down from Quince, and it's just a staple, okay? Just a good striped like poplin shirt is just a staple for all seasons, okay? So we're just layering those things. Now we add a little neck scarf, okay? We've kept the neck warm, and we've added a little bit of interest. We've added some brown that ties into the pants. Like I said, it really just is all about adding in little pieces, as I always say, like to your comfort level. At some point, I may add like one too many things for you, and you might be like, nope, that's too much. You've crossed the line. Totally fine. Pare it back a little bit, okay? But I'm just trying to give you ideas. And I also think that the more that we layer, the more that we add, I think it really helps to, obviously within reason, kind of give us that polished look that we're going for. I really think it's the difference between basics just looking like boring basics and looking like intentional outfits. And that is where the Fisherman Boxy Cropped Cardigan, I own this in 2 different colors, I believe at this point, because once again, their cotton, I know Quince is known for their cashmere. Their Mongolian cashmere is incredible, but I am a super big fan of all of their cotton pieces. They are just incredibly comfortable, incredibly affordable, very easy to care for in terms of washing and just general laundering of them. And I love this color. I believe it's called Redwood, and it's just, it's such a good like fall reddish color. And again, I know like I like to show you the kind of preppy, like just draping it over the sleeves, but you can absolutely like actually put it on and wear it over top. And now we've just, again, added some layers that take this outfit from like, maybe what it might just feel like, boring basic with a button down and some, dressier pants. But these pants honestly are like PJs. Like they don't feel like dress pants at all. They feel like PJs. But by adding these layers and different elements, we're making this outfit much more fun, unique, different. Again, the colors that you choose, the type of scarf that you choose, the type of handbag that you choose, all of that can really completely transform the whole thing. Now we are moving on to same pants. I'm telling you, I want you to see like how incredibly versatile these pants are and why I love them so much. I'm pairing it with the organic textured cotton peasant blouse from Quince. This blouse is a year-round blouse, okay? Wear it in the summer. Maybe don't wear a black bra under it like I'm doing, okay? But in the fall and winter, it becomes a layering piece. I love the little ruffle neck, and pairing it with the merino wool sweater vest from Quince. Adding a scarf. Now, instead of tying it around the neck, I'm just using a ring from my jewelry box as like a handkerchief ring. They make special ones, but I just use rings that I own because I think they look really cute. So again, just about figuring out what's your style, how you want to layer things, how you want to make them your own. This featherless quilted long puffer jacket. This went out of stock, and I waited for it to come back in stock to order it in this specific color because I loved it so much. It is unlike, I don't even feel like the camera is doing justice to this color. It's unlike any other. It's not even really like a greenish. It is, but it isn't. It's like, it's just so good and different than most. I feel like everything these days is like olive green. This is not that. This has like a little bit more blue in it. It's just so good. And of course, the cashmere tartan scarf, like I said, Quince is known for their Mongolian cashmere for a reason. And this scarf, she's so good. And she's so very giftable too, by the way. If you are needing Christmas present ideas, let me tell you, gifting one of these beautiful scarves would be a gift anybody would like to receive. Anybody. And they have a number of different colors as well. So I just want you to see that like these pants are taking us outdoors with our jacket and our scarf on, inside the office with a vest. They take us so many places. Now this cashmere structured cardigan this cut of cardigan is like all the rage right now. We're seeing it everywhere. All the big brands and stores have their own variation of it. And I got to tell you, this one I think is one of the best, if not the best, especially for the price. It is soft. And again, for my ladies who don't like to tuck things in, I love tops like this because they already have some structure to them. I don't know if you can see the slight bell shape of the sleeves. It curves in just a little and pops out, not an overdone peplum, just like the perfect amount of just naturally kind of coming in at the waist and then popping back out around the hips. So perfect for everyday wear. Again, you could absolutely layer this, wear it with jeans like I am. You could wear it with dress pants. You could wear it over a dress and leave it unbuttoned. You could wear it over like a tank dress and fully button it. a piece like this is going to allow you to take other items in your closet from summer into fall and into winter by just layering them and adding like a jacket over top, essentially. So the quality of this is incredible. Would also make an excellent gift if you know the person's size, though because it is structured but not like super tight fitting, it is more forgiving in the size range. I believe I'm wearing it in a small and I'm about 5'8". So just to give you a little help there. But now this Mongolian cashmere boatneck sweater, I finally bought another one. I think I've told you guys the sad news of my husband shrinking mine from last year that I was so devastated. It was sad. It was very sad. But I'm actually not sad because I really love this color even more than the previous color that I had, because this color just feels like me. I'm kind of a soft summer, soft autumn, and my what colors look best on me. And so this fits right in there, which is why I think I love it so much. When I put it on, I'm like, oh, this just feels like me. And it's kind of hard to see from a distance. And I can't recall if I ever actually walk any closer to the camera for you to see, but there is this color running through this scarf. So when you're up close to it, you can actually see that this like softer green color is in the scarf as well. But I just wanted you to see that like even making a basic outfit a little bit cuter, a little bit more fun doesn't have to mean a whole bunch of other things. It doesn't have to mean you got to wear a dickie and a neck scarf and, a top hat and I don't know, a monocle. Like it doesn't mean all of that. Sometimes it's just throwing a little scarf. It's that third piece. It's throwing a little scarf around your neck, carrying a cute handbag, swapping out for some cute little mules or shoes or something that kind of go and make it feel a little more polished and pulled together. And you've taken this incredibly comfortable sweater and made it feel like you could go, to work with it or just hang out at home with it. And that brings me to, of course, the Mongolian shrunken cashmere sweatshirt. I got this last year and I fell in love with it, and they sold out so fast, and I hadn't seen them. And then I saw that they came back, and they came back with more colors, baby. So I'm like, I got to include it in this video for y'all because this will be one of your favorites. If you're a casual lover, like if you just like casual, comfy clothes, this is going to be your jam. Why? Because, well, it gives you that like softness and like elevated polished look of a cashmere sweater. But because of the way that the sleeves are cut and the neckline, it's got that like sweatshirt feel. It kind of gives you that like casual vibe. You could definitely wear this with tennis shoes if you wanted to. Again, multiple color options, but I adore it. It's such a unique concept, I guess I would say, like having this Mongolian cashmere, but make it a sweatshirt, if you will, instead of like a sweater that might feel a little bit dressier. Now, I think I've talked about this already in a video, how much I'm really enjoying the like winter white. Maybe it's because I just don't have toddlers anymore. Like winter whites were not even kind of an option for the last, I don't know, like 17 years of my life, that now I'm like, okay, I can actually do winter white. So I'm very excited about it. And this sweater, oh my goodness. I don't feel like I see many people talk about this sweater from Quince, and I'm not sure why, because it's amazing. I love it. I love the neckline, the mock neck sort of turtleneck. So it's not the kind of turtleneck that's trying to strangle you, but it's not the kind of mock neck that's like too short. It's just right. The Goldilocks of mock necks. Okay. Love the sleeves. Love the way that they are cut. Again, like slightly kind of, like almost like belled out a little bit wider. It just has a very like casual, comfy, like I didn't try too hard vibe to it, which is what I think is kind of called for when you're pairing it with the white pants. You kind of need like, you don't want it to be too over the top. I mean, I guess depending on where you live, but like I'm not trying to peacock around in like an all white kind of outfit. I'm not trying to be like Elton John here, although the sunglasses are kind of giving Elton John, aren't they? But the whole thing together, it's like casual corduroy bottoms and this sweater. It just gives the like, I didn't try too hard, but I look cute anyways. I don't know, kind of like The Holiday. The movie The Holiday? I love all of the wardrobe in that movie, but that's giving me like the holiday vibes. Okay, now let's go to the other shoulder, the all white angel on one shoulder, and like, ooh, the bad one, the all blackish. And I call it blackish because this is actually like a sort of a darker gray sweater. And then these are the, oh shoot, the name is slipping my mind all of a sudden, but these wide leg jeans, they're in like a worn in black, if you will. So it's not like a stark black, but it's got like a little bit more of like a worn in look. And I'm trying to show you how stretchy they are, because we all know we do a lot of eating in this season. There's a lot of good cookies around, and I cannot resist a good cookie. And these jeans allow me to eat a lot of those cookies, okay? Because they are very, very stretchy and comfortable, pairing it with some combat boots, okay? And you kind of just got like this all black, dark look. Now, we can break that up a little bit because that is harsh. I've said it before. That's why I like this gray, because all black would be just way too harsh on my skin and face and everything. So I kind of go with the gray, and then I break it up by pulling this light gray scarf in by my face. So now I've taken away that super dark color away from my face, which is really going to help if like your color season is not one that can stand a whole lot of black without making you look sick, sallow, or 10 years older. We can help that by still being able to wear the blacks that we want to wear, or the dark colors that we want to wear, by pulling something like this light gray scarf up by my face. Kind of helps reflect that light and, kind of keep the harsh effects of the darker colors from making their way to my face and making me look older than I would like to look. So that is one way to kind of style this look. Now, I got to tell you that one of my favorite things that I've ever owned, I've talked about it, ad nauseum at this point, but I really think it bears repeating, is that a cashmere wrap is like the one thing that I just feel like every woman should own. And if you know someone that doesn't own one, you should gift one to them for Christmas, okay? Because it truly is the thing that you just need. It's like your blankie / scarf / wrap. You can wear this over fancy dresses to go to the opera if you just need to keep your little shoulders warm, almost like a shrug. You can tie it. You can wear it like a scarf. You can just wrap it around like I've done here. Now, if it's depending on the temperature or weather, I don't even need a jacket.
Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully you got some really great ideas for ways to style basics. If you're feeling like you're in a little bit of a style rut, hopefully this gave you some ideas and some inspiration. Sometimes just adding 1 or 2 new pieces can really make it feel like you have a whole new wardrobe. If you are new here, I hope you will consider subscribing and coming back for another video. Otherwise, I will see you all again very soon.